Okay, go back to your line. Everybody, 10, shoot. Ready, rest. I will give you time to change your clothes. Okay, we'll start now sa ating social night. Okay? Then, foam party. I will give you only 10 minutes to change your clothes. Okay? Siguraduhin ninyo inyong kailok hamot. Ha? Nakatoothbrush. Okay, ready? Okay, 5 minutes lang. Ka-excited lang iban. Makakapot sa ilang crush. Okay. Ready, arms forward, race. 5 minutes, Okay, ready, front, bow, face, dismiss. Up, balik. Ka-excited ba? Bantay lang mo ginarti ka ron, Proceed. Okay, timer starts now. Okay, for our social night, bago po mag-play ang ating foam party, unahin po natin yung ating parlor games. Okay, our teachers prepared parlor games for you tonight. Included po sa mga parents kung gusto nyo po.
Para si Pito? Ito na, partner. Bob? Ay, bawal? Iban ano lang.
Ayo lang to. Ayo na lang to, Esperanza, kay kaluwinan sa inyo. Si Ulagaw mo. Ara, dalawa lang. Dalawa. Dalawa, isa.
Ready, take my command. Attention. Hands forward. Hey. Ready. Front. Academy, take my command. Attention.
Meron pa?
Academy.
Ben. Tanan, may black ribbon. Sabi nyo, hindi ka mong dakpan, ha?
Wala naman siya
Okay, Academy team, take my command. Attention. About. Face. Forward. March. Left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left. Left, right. Ayusin. Left, right, not. Martay. March. Left, right, left. Istritan ninyo ang Academy B. Esperanza. Forward pa konti. Okay, ready? Hold. About. Hey. Ready? Set. Esperanza team. Take my command. Attention. Right. Face. Hands forward. Raise. Sige. Istog. Hands forward. Okay, when the guns forward. Forward. March. Left, right, left. Full step. Mark time. March. Left, right, left. Ready. Hold. 1, 2. About. Face. Ready. Sit. District team. Take my command. Attention. About. Face. Tingnan natin ang district, ha. Forward. Marks! Left, right, left, right. Wow, ang galing ng district. Left, right, left, right, left. Swing your arms. More time. Marks. Left, right, left, right, left. Ready. Hook. Left. Face. Hands forward. Raise. Oh, stop. Forward kayo na sa likod. Itap yung likod. Saunan. Ready. Front. More time. March. Forward. March. Left, right, left, right, left. Left. Ah, ang galing nila. Straight, straight ba? More time. March. Left, right, left, right, left. Ready. Pull. About. Face. Ready. Sit. Okay. Go sit. Okay, good evening sa tanan, especially sa tuwang parents na nagtambong sa maong social night sa mga estudyante. So, to formally start our social night, our first na dula is Paint Me a Picture. Kabay mo na nga dula? Paint Me a Picture? So, maghatag ko sa inyo og situation. Then, inyo ng himuon. Kauban yung team. So, naatay tig pulo ka members. So, lima ka babae, then 5 pod ka lalaki sa ato ang unit. So, naatay 4 ka teams. So, tagpulo-pulo mo. Maghatag ko sa inyo senaryo, kagimuon nyo, kaupod inyo nga mga teams. Then, i-judge na to, kauban si Ma'am Perlin. Si Ma'am Perlin, ako, o si Sir Arvin. So kami maghatag, then si Ma'am na mahala sa points. So, mauna siya. So, pick your team na 10 ka buo para mag-participate. So, okay, let's count 1 to 20. Dapat naka-form na sa tunga. By team. 1, 2, 3, 5 boys and 5 girls only. 4, 5, 6, 7, faster. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, ang mga kauna makalinya kay matagahan ng points. 50 points. 50 points. 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, unsa ni siya nga team? District. Pila mo ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, district, ma'am. Sunod. Sama? Adventist? Yes, ma'am. 30 points, ma'am. Adventist. Nga naa sa hospital, nga ginaanak ang baby. For 30 seconds, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dapat mag-praise ha. Pagawan sa 30. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, Okay. Mag-judge na sila Ma'am Perlin o Sir Arvin.
Pataraw daw, be. Di na mag-iho. Asang doktor? Asang doktor, anak? Oh, okay. Di na galing maglihok. Oh, walang naglihok pa man. Okay, walang maglihok. Kinsang first. Na-stress ko daw na. Pinaka-the best para sa inyo, ma'am. Academy. First ang Academy. Okay, ang naka-first is ang Academy. The second is the District. The third is Esperanza. And the fourth is Adventist. Okay, don't you worry. Makabawi pa ba? Makabawi. Okay. Okay, after sa ato ang timer, dapat naka-freeze na mong tanan. Okay, kaya ang picture wala man ang galiho. Understood? Understood? Okay, for your second scenario, kanang nagbunggoan na yung sakyanan, tapos nangadisigrasya. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30. Okay. Yes! Di na magluhag. Ang picture, di na magluhag. So naano na discussion na si Kadlaw. Okay, congratulations to Team District. The first runner-up and the second is Team Academy. The third is Team Adventist and the fourth is Team Esperanza. Okay. For your line na, balik. Mag-prepare na para sa itong third scenario. Para sa tuwang third scenario, paint me a picture of a wedding. Paint me a picture of a wedding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pwede mo Trio? Ayaw mo gutok na, Trio? 15, 16. Wedding ha, wedding. Dili na siya proposal. Kasal. Kasal ang hitabo. Dili proposal. 20. Okay, freeze. That's it. Another 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, please! Oh, sige, Kadlaw, gihapon. Good. Okay. Ang first is the district. The second is Esperanza. Third ay ng duha ka team ang Academy o ang Adventist. Kaya proposal ang ilang gibuhat, dili wedding. Okay, back to your positions. For your fourth scenario, paint me a picture of a teacher na nagatudlo sa klase. 20 seconds starts now. 1, 2, 3. Pwede mo dali sa tubangan, o? Kaya hawan kaya tubangan. Dali, o. Ayaw magutok dira. 5, 6, dapat 7, si teacher o ang students. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Freeze! Then,
Okay, congratulations, all of you got 50 points. Okay, for your last scenario, paint me a picture of nagaklase while nagabagyo while nagaklase. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6. Bisanog bagyo, nagklase gapon si teacher. 7, 8. Dapat si teacher nagaklase gapon, nagawal nga nagabagyo. 12, 13, 14, 13. May yung ginaayo ba? 17, 18. Down, cover, and hold na ba? 20. Okay, freeze. Okay, nanahin. Okay, congratulations. Our first runner-up is Team Academy.